One of y'all in here have the opportunity to be a pro, not a hobbyist. And from this point on, I want you all to look at yourselves as pro and not a hobbyist, because I've seen your work. I've seen it, and it's pretty darn good. And y'all are doing leaps and bounds from what I did. That's the difference. So again, like I said, hopefully today, by the end of the day, you can acknowledge that you are a pro, and you will respect yourself as one, so your clients can respect you as one. So y'all are taking some information that a lot of people won't know, and hopefully my hope is when they see this, they're able to emulate this and understand this, continue to raise the market value, because y'all are worth every single right? And I share with all the photographers who come to me seeking advice, because again, I want you all to be able to respect yourselves as professionals.
Okay. Your hair looks great.
Thank you. Canon 60D at the time, and I had no pictures taken with it, but it was okay. Because I knew what my future was going to hold, and I knew I didn't want to be dead. So you're talking to somebody who didn't just, in debt and get the latest stuff, and actually took her time, and she still made it worth it. And here I am today. Everybody's not an extrovert like me. I'm not going to expect them to be like hosting like 24 conversations, because some people just are like bread and butter, meat and potatoes like my husband, get it done, that's it. But doing something that makes yourself memorable is always going to be something lasting.
There's so many. It was great. No, I really enjoyed, just reaffirming that we have value and, feeling confident in our prices and our abilities. And then, knowing that it's okay if you need to step back, it's okay if you need to take a break, but you can keep going, and every part of your life has a season, and, if you need to take some time off, take some time, and you can come back to it.
Doshi helped me to see that I have potential and to use all of my abilities that I have. And
it's nice to see other people in different stages of their businesses struggle with the same things, no matter where you're at. The community of it, being able to call them a friend instead of competition, building each other up, seeing different places, different styles, but we can still relate on so many things.
Yes, I would recommend it. It's fun to get together and, wonderful to have someone that you can ask questions to, and the personal stories are very helpful too.
I would recommend this workshop because Doshi will help you to see all of the potential that you have and how you can apply it, how to handle social media.
I would recommend this workshop to any of my friends. I think there's something to learn no matter where you're at in your business, and it's nice to hear from someone relatable, coachable, and someone who's genuinely interested in bettering you through helping you, encouraging you, pushing you up, and having fun while doing it.
I would recommend Doshi's workshop to any photographer who wants to improve her business and to have confidence in her own abilities.
Hi guys, this is Doshi from Doshi Photography. We just wrapped up an amazing workshop today in Bavaria, Germany. I'm so excited about what's going to happen in the future. We have workshops in Houston, Texas. We have workshops in Atlanta, Georgia. And I plan on taking this thing global. So if you guys want any more information, just sign on the link below and you'll be able to receive a monthly update from me. See you later, guys.